Okay. This is exercise 2.1. Look at the first question. Observe the following patterns and complete them. Observe the following patterns and complete them. Look at the pattern 5, 8, 11, 14, and what about the three terms. Okay, 5, 8, 11, 14. Okay, wait. Look at here. 5, 8, 11, 14. What is the difference between these two? 3 only. Okay, so how do I find out the differentiate? So 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So difference is 3. 11 minus 8 equal to 3. Or 14 minus 11 is equal to 3. So all the difference is 3 only. Or you can write this type also. So 5, 8, 11, 14. So 5 plus 3 is equal to, so 3 is the difference. 8. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 11 plus 3 is equal to 14. And the next step is what? 14 plus 3. What is the 14 plus 3? 17. And then 17 plus 3, 20. And 20 plus 3, 23. Yeah, that's it, the first answer. So difference is, so 5, 8, 11, 14. And then difference is 3 only. Correct? So difference is 3. So next to 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 3 is, so 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. 17 plus 3 is equal to 20. And then 20 plus 3 is equal to 23. This is the correct answer. So you have to write in your book. And the next question. If this number multiplied by 7, this number 15,873. This number multiplied by 7, your answer will be 111111. There are six ones. Okay, and then they are also given that again that number, same number 15873, which is multiplied by 14. The answer will be 222222. There are six twos. And then what is the this value and this value? So look at that, all the numbers are same. 15873, 15873, 15873, 15873. So what is the change? The multiplication value only change. This is 7, 7, this is 14. So therefore this is 7th table. So what is the 7th table? 1 sevens are 7, 2 sevens are 14, 3 sevens are 21, 4 sevens are 28. Correct? So this value multiplied by 7 means the answer will be 6 ones. So same number multiplied by 14. Why 14? Suppose 7, 14, and then 21, and then 28. This is the 7th table. So that number multiplied by 7, the answer will be 6 ones. Again that number multiplied by 14, the answer will be 662. And then this number multiplied by 21, which means what is answer? You can say clearly 33333. Yeah, that's it. And then that number multiplied by 28, what is the answer? 444444. Yeah, that's it. So this number multiplied by 21 is 33333. And then this number multiplied by 28, what is the answer? 444444. Yeah, that's it. And then second question is, draw the next two patterns. So there are n here. Draw the next two patterns and complete the table. So this is my question. Till this table, this is my question. Okay, this is my question. Draw the next two pattern. So we have to find this fourth value. Okay, we have to find this fourth space. Okay, we have to find this fourth and fifth places. Okay, so look at the first diagram. Where is the first diagram? Here. How many square? One square. So in the middle only we have one square. How many circles there? Three circles. So the first pattern is one square and three circle. So one square, three circle. Look at the second diagram. This is my second diagram. How many squares? Two squares. And then totally how many circles? Six circles. So six circles. And then third one is totally how many square? Three square. Look at that, three square. How many circles are there? Nine circles are there. So okay. So fourth one will be what? Look at the square numbers. 1, 2, 3, and the next one is must be 4. Look at the circles. 3, 6, 9, and the next one will be 12, because there's three tables type. That is the first one is 1, 2, 3, 4 format. So square is adding one by one, but the circles adding multiples of 3 times, 3 times. So first square is 1, second square is 2, and third one diagram in the diagram third there are 3 squares. Third diagram is 4 squares. Circles also, look at the first circle, I have 3 circles, and the second diagram I have 6 circles. Third diagram I have 9 circles, and the fourth diagram should be 12. But the fifth one, there should be 5 squares, and how many circles? 12 plus 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12, and then 12 plus 3, it will be 15. So not only you have to write, you have to draw this diagram. So this is the fourth diagram. This is the fifth diagram. Look at that, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 squares and then 12 circles. Fifth one is 5 squares and then 15 circles. Yeah, that's it. Easy one. You have to write in your book or in your class work. Okay. Fourth one. Yeah, look at these 4 terms. These 4 terms, which means called, this is the equation. So this is called equation or algebraic statement. So generally it's called equation. Equation means any variable comes. X, Y, Z, A, B, C, whatever the values come, it will be it's called equation. Okay, so they are given the equation, but what we have to do now, we have to write in the verbal format. Verbal format means what? So we have to write the equations into text format. So text format. Okay, so a plus 5, what does it mean? So a plus 5 is an equation. So a plus 5 is an equation. So a plus 5 means what? So a value we don't know, so we don't know what is a, so we know only 5 only we know. Okay, so a we don't know, we only know the 5 value 5. So what is the exact mean for this one is that 5, what is the middle term is addition, plus this addition. So the 5 added to what? This unknown value a. So that 5 added to a. So if you want to add anything, you can write added to. Okay, added to. So if you want to subtract mean, you can write subtract from that number. Because adding mean you have to add to that number. Okay, add to that number. Subtraction mean you just subtract, you just minus from that whole number. So a plus 5, which means what? That 5 is added to a. 5 added to a. Okay, now look at here, 6 is at minus 1. So there are the minus sign, which means what? Subtraction. How can I write subtract? So I want subtract that minus 1 from that value. So I want subtract that minus 1 value. Okay, I want subtract that 1 value from that 6z. So which means how can I write subtract 1 from 6z means 6 times z, 6 into z, so 6 times z. So subtract 1 from 6 times z, and then 12y, 12y. So I can simply say that 12 times y or 12 multiplied by y. So because 12y, so in middle, so in between 12 and y there are no signs, which means there is multiplication, there is multiplication. So which means what, 12 is multiplied by 12 multiplied by y or 12 times y, and then x by 6. Fourth one is division, so x divided by 6. So x divided by 6, so 6 only here divisor, correct? So x divided by 6. So you can write this answers in here in your book or in your classwork. Okay, now just try this one. X plus 3, this is a equation. How can I supposed to write the verbal format? So the 3, yeah, this 3 added to this x1 x, okay? So this 3, because we don't know the x value, so in the 3 நம்ம x கூட add பண்ண போறோம். So we are going to add this 3 2x. So we are going to add this 3 2x. So how can I suppose write variable format? 3 added 2x, so 3 added 2x. Next one is same thing, suppose x minus 3. Okay, so x plus 3 means what? 3 added to the text. So x plus 3 means the 3 added to the text. X minus 3, x minus 3 means the 3 subtract from the 6, subtract from the 6, okay, correct? So added mean added to that value variable, minus means subtract from that variable, add mean add to that value, add to the text, subtract means subtract from that number, okay? Because that's only the possible term. Subtract from இருக்கிறவங்க கிட்ட இருந்தால் நம்ம எடுக்க முடியும், கரெக்டா? ஸோ x we don't know, so whatever the x value, okay, we want to subtract that 3 from that x, and then 3x. So yeah, 3x. So what is the value, so what is the sign in between 3 and x? So 3 and x, sign is multiplication. So 3x means 3 times x or 3 multiplied by x, sorry, x multiplied by 3. So 3 multiplied by x, so 3 multiplied by x, and then x by 3, this is division. So 3 is a divisor, correct? So x divided by 3, x divided by 3. Okay, last one, x plus 2, which means what? The 2 added 2x, okay, and then x minus 2, which means what? The 2 subtract from x, subtract from x, so 2x, so 2 multiplied x, 2, the 2 multiplied by x, 2 multiplied by x, so 2x, some 3a, so 4b, which means 2 and x in between there are multiplied, 3 and a in between there are multiplied, 4 and b in there are multiplied. So if you see this type of numbers, 2x or 3y, so one number and one variable, which means what? Inside middle of this term is multiplication only, and then x by 2, here 2 is our divisor, correct? 2 is our divisor, so I can write this as x divided by 2.